Far Eastern University, Institute of Accounts, Business and Finance, Department of Accountancy and Internal Auditing.
Freshman orientation. We know that you are very excited in entering our university. But before we start the orientation, let us quote Benjamin Franklin. An investment in knowledge always pays the best interest. Hopefully, our university can give you the best kind of investment in education. Welcome to Far Eastern University.
The agenda for today's orientation: IABF Dean's Office,
IABF, BSA and BSIA program,
Modes of Learning,
grade computation,
Forms of Assessment,
BSA and BSIA qualifying examination,
Grade Retention Policy,
BSA Flowchart for the 4-year program,
Curriculum Enhancements,
international certifications and career opportunities.
School Calendar.
For Agenda 1, IABF Dean's Office.
IABF Dean's Office is located inside ABB, formerly ABFB. Go to the 7th floor and you will find the IABF Dean's Office. IABF Academic Managers: Earl Joseph M. Bergonia, CPA, MBA, CFMP, LLB, OIC Dean, IABF Manila and Makati.
Dr. Joselito P. Tem, Associate Dean, IABF Manila.
Ramil N. Baldres, CIA, CPA, MBA, CFMP, ACCA Diploma, Program Head, Accountancy and Internal Auditing.
Lady Diane M. Co., CPA MBA, Assistant Program Head.
Mark Lester T. Balasa, CPA, MBA, Assistant Program Head. For the Agenda 2, let us know the IABF, BSA, and BSIA program.
Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, BSA, a 4-year program that qualifies the graduate for the Certified Public Accountant Licensure Examination, CPALE. Bachelor of Science in Internal Auditing, BSIA, is a program that prepares the student for the Certified Internal Auditor, CIA examination. The CIA title is recognized internationally, with thousands of opportunities for an internal auditing career, both local and abroad. BSA and BSIA are different curricula, but they have the same subjects and course requirements for the first 2 semesters. BSIA program. BSIA students will have an opportunity to shift to BSA program, must pass the qualifying examination to be admitted to the BSA program. Those who will not qualify shall be retained to BSIA program. In a pandemic, learning should not be stopped. It should be continued. That's why FEU prepared 3 different modes of learning.
Your option A, Total Analog Learning. No class meeting, but regular submissions and feedback. Recommended only for highly independent and responsible learners with no access to stable internet. Internet access is still necessary.
Mixed online. This is a combination of synchronous and asynchronous online learning. Faculty are required to meet synchronously between 25 to 75% of designated class time. Highly recommended for all kinds of learners, as it will provide most amount of teacher guidance but requires a stable internet connection.
And for the last option, asynchronous online learning. No class meeting, but regular submissions and feedback. Recommended only for highly independent and responsible learners with internet connection.
Choose the mode of learning best suited for you. Agenda 4, Grade Computation. It is a must that we know how to compute for your grades all throughout your stay in the university. So here it goes.
The computation of periodic grades for professional courses except OJT and review classes are as follows. Your first preliminary grade and your second preliminary grade is composed of formative assessment, summative assessment, and the computation of your final grade is 50% of the first preliminary grade and 50% of the second preliminary grade.
So now the question will be, what is the composition of formative assessment and summative assessment? And that is our agenda number 5, forms of assessment. Here it goes. So here are the samples of formative and summative assessments. For formative assessments, we have quizzes, short or long, sit work, reporting, work samples or portfolio, peer evaluation of project work, and self-evaluation. While on the other hand, we have the summative assessment. Okay, so we have the departmental examination, case study or problem analysis, research or term paper, capstone projects or feasibility study, performance tests for skill-based courses. It is a must that you know how you are being graded in a specific course. So it is a must for you to know the assessments. Okay? And also, it is never a sin to ask your professors about your grades at the end of every assessment.
For our Agenda 6 BSA and BSIA qualifying examination. First qualifying examination for BSA and BSIA is usually conducted during summer term. Exams should be administered by the Accountancy and Internal Auditing Department after their first 2 semesters or first year in the program. Exams shall cover the first 2 accounting courses or subjects such as financial accounting and reporting, conceptual framework, and accounting standards.
For you to have a better view of the qualifying examination, when to take it and are you eligible to take it, we have prepared you a flowchart. At the end of first year, second semester, if you have passed financial accounting and reporting and conceptual framework and accounting standards, you are eligible to take the qualifying examination. If not, you have to retake the subject or subjects that you have failed. Now, in the qualifying examination, if you have passed it, you are eligible to enroll to second year, first semester under the BSA program. But if not, you are to shift to BSIA or another program of your choice. Now, at the end of second year, second semester, if you have passed Intermediate Accounting 1 and 2, Business Laws and Regulation 1 and 2, Income Taxation, Cost Accounting, and Strategic Costs, and Governance, so you are eligible to take the second qualifying examination. But if not, you have to retake the subject or subjects that you have failed. Now, about the second qualifying examination, if you have passed this one, you are to enroll to third year first semester under the BSA program. If not, you are to shift to BSIA or another program of your choice. At the end of third year second semester, you are to take a comprehensive examination. If you have passed the comprehensive examination, you are to enroll fourth year, first semester. But if not, you have to retake it. Now, at the end of the fourth year, second semester, you have to take another comprehensive examination for integrated review courses. If you have passed this one, you will be a graduate of the BSA program. If not, you have to retake the said examination.
For the Agenda 7, the Grade Retention Policy. Retention Policy. After successfully passing the 3 retention exams and all required subjects, a BSA 4th-year student will take the integrated courses covering all CPALE subjects to become a FEU BSA degree holder. Retention policy. First year going to second year, first qualifying examination, BSA and BSIA. Second year going to third year, second qualifying examination. Third year going to fourth year, comprehensive examination.
So again, this is only a repeat of whatever we have discussed in agenda number 6. So this is the summary.
And for the retention policy, retention grades are cumulative per year level. So we have university quality point average, and also we have a BSA and BSIA quality point average, or what we call the institute QPA and the university QPA. For first year, 1.2 and 1.2 for the university, and for the institute, second year, 1.5, 1.6. Third year, 1.8, 2.0. Fourth year, 2.0, 2.4.
This retention grade is actually set by the university and the institute to ensure the quality graduate that we can have in the future.
BSA Flowchart for the 4-year program.
As you can see, this flowchart looks familiar to you because we already presented it in Agenda 6 and 7. The BSA flowchart or the BSA path is a long one and difficult one, but mind you, it is something worth it.
Agenda 9, Curriculum Enhancement. Use of various learning management system, Canvas, FEU. Connect, Macro, and Mindtop, Cengage. Ebook, Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, Systems, Applications, and Products, SAP. Canvas, Learning Management System. Canvas is a cloud-based learning management system that makes teaching and learning easier.
So again, we don't use Facebook, to connect with our students, but rather, any communication between the faculty and the students are course through Canvas.
Connect, McGraw-Hill Learning Management System. McGraw-Hill Connect is a digital teaching and learning environment that saves students and instructors time while improving performance over a variety of critical outcomes.
For you, our freshmen, the publisher of your ebook is McGraw. So we will have a separate video for this one for you to be able to know more about the Learning Management System Connect.
SAP is integrated in the curriculum. It is one of the largest enterprise resource planning ERP software and related enterprise application used worldwide. For the Agenda 10, International Certifications and Career Opportunities.
The university does not only focus in local certifications and licensure examinations. As we aspire our students to be globally competitive, we encourage them to take international certifications. That's why ACCA topics are being incorporated in our syllabi. ACCA will have a separate video presentation about this certification. Next, these are the global certifications that are available for BSIA and BSA. We have the CIA, the CISA, the ACCA, the CRMA, the CGAP, the CFE, the CCSA, and the CFSA. Again, we are encouraging all of you to pursue some, if not all, of these global certifications.
Career Opportunities, BSIA, Internal Audit Department, Junior Internal Auditor, Operations Auditor, Juniors IT Auditor, Fraud Examiner, Forensic Auditor, Compliance Auditor, Financial Auditor.
Outside Internal Audit Department, Chairman of Audit Committee, Risk Associate, Risk Management Officer, Independent Validator, Balance Scorecard, Tax Manager, Investment Manager, and Financial Analyst.
Also, career opportunities for the BSA Corporate Accounting. For the last agenda, here is the university calendar.
So this is composed of the important dates, okay, in the university for the academic year 2020 and 2021. Here you go. So thank you for attending the freshman orientation. Feel free to approach anyone in our Dean's office to answer your queries. Have a great day.
And God bless everyone.
After this video, kindly stay connected. ACCA, McGraw, and Sandwich will be presenting their own separate videos. Thank you and have a nice day. Welcome to Far Eastern University.